everybody, good work with your herbs garden here. It's looking great, you have your seeds sprouting, but what's going to happen is that some seeds are going to grow faster than others. So here our cilantro is doing really well and it's starting to take over. While you might consider that a little bit of a nuisance, think on the bright side, glass half full, container half full. It's actually a perfect opportunity for some guacamole. So what you're going to do is to harvest some of the cilantro. It's going to keep growing back, and you're going to make sure that you harvest some out, which is going to provide enough room for the sunlight to come down and allow your basil to thrive, allow your dill to catch up. So you're just going to gently pull back the cilantro. In this case, we're going to leave some room for the dill to grow. And we're just going to start by clipping the bottom and just starting to separate some of the cilantro. You can pick the outer ones and just with your scissors just trim them off near the base. You don't want to trim off a full stalk at the bottom, you just want to trim off these individual arms that are coming up. Ooh, I got some sorrel in there too. And what you're going to be doing is just providing some space. So now we have room for our dill and our basil to start to thrive. Also, here's a good opportunity for us to water our dill. Make sure, again, that you're watering the base of the plant, right where they're coming into contact with the soil. Because this dill is a light plant, it's pretty spindly. If we were to put too much water too aggressively on the top of it, there's a chance that we would knock it down. So you can water your dill, spray your basil, give that a good shot too. And now you have some delicious fresh cilantro and room for your basil and dill to grow. All right, now that you've cut back your cilantro, there's more room for your dill and your basil to grow. If your cilantro starts to encroach on them again, it's another opportunity for you to harvest some fresh cilantro for whatever your meal you're making that night. Make sure that you're putting your garden back outside in an area that gets full sun. And if you want, you can even orient your garden so that your basil and your dill will be facing the sun directly and they'll start to catch up with your cilantro. That's it. Happy harvesting and welcome to Seedsheet, where we make growing good food ridiculously easy.